Hello everyone. For this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to darn a sock or mend a sock. So if you have any holes in your socks, this is how you can fix them. And this is an end result. I have my Morty socks, which my dog Bagel has destroyed. So we're going to mend this one, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. What you're going to need is some thread. I'm going to use different colors so you can kind of see the pattern that we're going to do. But you can also make it like kind of more invisible and matching with the fabric colors if you want to, but this is just so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then you're going to need a needle, some scissors or nail clippers to cut the thread. I use these nail clippers because it's just convenient. And then some kind of ball, using Bagel's, one of Bagel's toys. And the first thing you want to do is put the ball in the sock so you shape the hole and we can see it and work on it. The next thing you want to do is cut a thread, knot it on one end, and then thread your needle on the other side so we can get started. First thing you want to do is go from the inside of the sock to the outside of the sock, and that's so the tail of the thread is on the inside. And I'm just going to cover it up so it's out of my way. And then you're going to want to go across on the bottom and then from the outside to the inside on the top. And then you want to do that for the whole length of the hole. Once you've covered the entire hole, you're going to want to end where the string is coming from underneath. So when we cut the string, the tail's going to be on the inside of the sock. So what I like to do is I like to use my needle to make a knot, because right now it's on the inside. And then I'm going to hold the knot while I pull the string. So I'm making the knot as close to the end of this, and of like where I want it to be as possible. And then I cut it with my little nail clippers, and then I kind of pull it on the inside so it's out of the way. Next, you want to cut a second piece of string. I'm going to use black so you guys can see, and then have a knot at the end again and thread your needle at the other end. And we're going to again go from the inside to the outside so we can put that tail on the inside. And it's not going to go all the way in because of the little knot is usually, there's a little bit of string after the knot. So I just like to get it out of the way. And then you're going to want to go underneath one thread and over the other, underneath and over, underneath and over, underneath and over, underneath, over, underneath, and over. And then you want to this way. And then you want to do the same thing, but kind of go underneath where you went over the last time and over where you went underneath. And then continue. Once you've completed enough where it's starting to look like together and secure, then you're going to want to do the same thing as last time, where you make sure that your thread is on the inside of the sock. See? And then we're going to do a knot. Cut it. And all we have to do is just take that tail end and put it on the inside. And here's the end result.
Take that, bagel.